Hello and welcome to Tech Solutions. Today I'll show you how to disable that weird Discord startup sound. For those of you that don't know what that is, I'll show you. When you start up Discord for the first time, you get a weird Discord app start sound, which you'll hear in a moment.
Discord.
You'll hear that sound and you hear it connect and say Discord app, which gets pretty annoying. So I'll show you how to disable that today because it's a little bit obscure. So you want to go to the top left where it says home and you want to click on this 15 times. You'll hear the disconnect sound like that, and then that should be it. You should never have that Discord app sound ever again. So just to prove it, we'll force close Discord and we'll open it again, and hopefully that sound doesn't come up again. Now you see Discord opened and there's no startup sound. So all you have to do again is to click this home button 15 times until you hear the disconnect sound, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you.